Hiya everyone, today is a one that I do every now and then, and this is a what's in my bag video. I've actually got a new bag and I just got a new purse for it. My eyebrow looks sparse there. So I am going to unpack this bag and pack up my new bag to start using. So I thought, because I've never done a what's in my bag on this, it's looking a bit dirty. Real life what's in my bag, it always is. So I thought I'll do it, show you what I've got in my bag and clean it out at the same time so I can start using my new bag. So this is the bag that I'm using at the minute. It looks very shiny off the light. It's got a big scuff there on the other side, which I'm kind of annoyed at because I haven't had this long. It's just a shopper bag really, but I use this as a bag because it's so big and I can dump everything in. But the summer's coming, so I'm going to use a different one. A different bag. But this actually is a Ted Baker shopper bag with a rose gold tee there and like a coppery gold bow, and then it's got like the inlines is rose gold and copper, and then it says never without my hashtag Ted Baker bag, and I do love this style of bag. Actually I've got a few now, and then it says no ordinary bag. But anyways, let's just get into what's in my bag. Should I bring yours down just a little bit? I just sit it there. I don't know. Bring this there. I don't know. Well, that's what I'm doing. I'm bringing this down. The first thing I've got is my purse. It's just a lovely purse with a bow on, like a mauvey grey and navy. Really quite nice. Has a nice bow, and then grey. Is that no, like navy and grey? Really quite pretty. Just a generic brand bag. Generic brand purse. It opens like that, and then it has another bit that opens like that, and then it has a coiny slot. So it hasn't really got a slot for like cash money, but I actually keep my cash money in there. So it's a nice little purse. It does the job. But it is huge, so I have to for the bag that I'm going to use, I have to downsize. Next I have got my phone. It's in a Ted Baker phone case. I love Ted Baker. Right, let's see. Next is a womanly product, which actually is a downside of this bag because it actually hasn't got like a little zippy compartment there, which normally they do, which I normally keep my womanly products in. A hairbrush, which has got like, don't know if you can see, random gross strands of hair. It's just an owl. I'm owl crazy. If you don't know, I really love owls. I'm not keen on the colour of this though, but I always normally have a fold away brush because I have got long, and this is actually my hair what it is naturally like. I haven't straightened it, I haven't curled it or nothing. It's normally like this funky wave thing that's going on. Sometimes I can make it look a bit nicer if I put like a mousse through it, but this is like my natural hair. So it's unruly. Next I have got a crunchy wrapper because I have been loving dipping crunchies in my cups of tea. Oh, we've got another crunchy wrapper, which seems a larger one than that one. A Tesco receipt. A McDonald's Happy Meal toy, because a random fact about me, I eat Happy Meals. I eat small amounts, lots of times through the day. That is my diet. That was annoying me in the camera. But that is my diet. I eat small amounts throughout the day. Lots. Another receipt. What are you? A Pound World receipt. And it is long. I love a good pound shop. Namco little things when you play at the bandits and stuff. I love the whack-a-mole game. Whack-a-mole. It's an addiction. Right, let's have a look what's in here. I've got Next Just Pink. This is so pretty. Look how much I've used already, and I've not had it very long. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I would just recommend it. Really nice. I think this is the rest of the crunchy wrapper. I've got a kid's plaster because the shoes I wore the other day absolutely killed me, and my sister only had kids plasters, so normally I actually have plasters on. And then I've got, I'm just grabbing them, remnants of sweet sweet wrappers, because I do like to eat sweets. And then look how dirty inside my bag looks, but it is empty. I'm just going to thingy that on the floor and hoover it up. But that is what's in my bag, and this is my bag, my Ted Baker shopper bag. I know lots of people watch these to actually see the bags, but I'll just do a 360 of this bag. This actually was like £30, so it's such a bargain for an everyday bag, you know. Certainly if you like to fill your bag with loads of rubbish. If you would like for me to unbox my new bag, just comment down below and I will show you and show you my new bag. My new bag is a Michael Kors bag. I've been saving up for a Michael Kors bag for a while, and then I decided against it, and then I actually got one as a gift, which was very nice. So if you want us to show you that bag, comment down below and I will show you it or unbox it or whatever. I don't know what you do with bags. I watch people who unbox bags, but I don't know. I've never done that before. But anyways, if you like these sort of videos or hauls, anything like that, I do all them sort of videos. So please subscribe down below and I will see you in my next one. Bye!